Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our exercise 2.5 of chapter polynomial. In this one last video we have completed till 8th. So today we are going to continue from the ninth one sum. So ninth, verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So it means we have to verify the identity in this one. So x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So we can take the left hand side only, that is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So firstly x can multiply with the full term, fully this one, and y can multiply. ठीक है. So firstly x can multiply with this one bracket. So x into x square, that is x cube, x into minus xy, that is minus x square y, then x into y square, that is xy square, then plus sign, then y into x square, that is x square y, minus xy into y, that is xy square, plus y into y square, that is y cube. After that, which terms are going to be cancelled, that we can do, like x square y. So check it, is there any term of x square y, that is, so it can be cancelled. ठीक है. Then x y square, it's also x y square, so it can be cancelled. Which terms are left, that is x cube plus y cube, and our in the question our left hand side also x cube plus y cube. It means our left hand side equal to right hand side. Same second part you have to do. ठीक है. Then the 10th one, factorize each of the following. So in this one we have to apply the identity which we have proved in the 9th one. So here is 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. ठीक है. So firstly I can convert in the cube form. It means 27, that is a cube of 3. So I can write 3y whole cube and plus sign, then 125, that I can write 5z whole cube. ठीक है. After that our identity is there na, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So x can be replaced with 3y and y can be replaced with 5z. So 3y plus 5z into 3x whole square plus 3x into y, 5y plus 5y whole square. So 3y plus 5z as it is, 3x whole square, that become 9x square, then 3 5s are 15, 15xy, and 5y whole square, that become 25y square. ठीक है. So now the next one, 11th one, that is factorize. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So here the another identity we can use, this one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. This one identity we have to use. So firstly we can convert in the cubic form. So it's 27, we can write 3x whole cube, y cube already is, z cube is there, and 9xyz we can factorize it in the form of 3xyz. So it means 3 into 3x, because here is 3x, so I can write on the place of x 3x, y as it is, and z as it is. So if we are going to multiply, then same form we are getting. So now left hand side is verify with this one, so we can apply the right hand side now. So it means x plus y plus z, x can be replaced with 3x, y as it is, z as it is. So 3x plus y plus z into x square, it means 3x square, 3x whole square plus y square plus z square minus xy था, so x that can 3x into y minus yz and minus z into 3x. ठीक है. So 3x plus y plus z as it is, in the next one bracket 3x whole square, that become 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. ठीक है. Now see the 12th one, verify It's a very important one sum, and mostly students are going to confuse in this one. So listen it carefully. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So now we can take the left hand side of this one. So 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So 1 by 2 x plus y plus z as it is. Here we can apply the identity of square a minus b whole square. So it means a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus y square minus 2xy. Here also y square plus z square minus 2yz. Z square plus x square minus 2zx. Now which terms are going to be plus or minus we can do. So x square, it's also x square. It become 2x square. Y square and it's a y square. So it become 2y square. Z square and it's a z square. It become 2z square. Minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. It means all terms are having 2 in common. So we can take 2 as a common, and 2 can be cancelled with the half. So now we left x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this term can be multiplied with this. It means firstly x can multiply with full bracket, then y, then z. Okay. So x can multiply firstly, then y, then z. So firstly x, that become x cube, x into y square, that is xy square, x into z square, xz square, minus x square y minus xyz minus zx square. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट ब्रैकेट y, y x square जो x square y क्यूब y z square y जो y z square. ठीक है, देन माइनस एक्स वाई स्क्र माइनस वाई स्क्र जेड माइनस एक्स वाई जेड. ठीक है, देन एक्स स्क्र जेड वाई स्क्र जेड जेड क्यूब, देन माइनस एक्स वाई जेड माइनस वाई स्क्र जेड minus z square x. So here which terms are going to be cancelled we can do, like x y square. So x y square can be cancelled with this. Then x z square. So x z square, where is term x z square, this one. So it can be cancelled with it. Then x square y it's a, ठीक है. Then z x square, then z x square it's z square y, then y square z. So which terms are left? That is x cube plus y cube plus z cube and minus xyz minus xyz minus xyz. It means minus 3xyz, and our left hand side also this one. ठीक है. So it means our left hand side equal to right hand side. ठीक है. Now see the 13th sum. 13, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here we have to prove. So firstly x plus y plus z equal to 0. Z can be shift here with the minus sign. Now cube, do the cubing on both sides. So here x plus y whole cube and here minus z cube. So here we can apply the identity. X plus y whole cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. ठीक है. And here minus z cube, that is minus z cube. So x cube plus y cube 3xy and x plus y that can replace with minus z. ठीक है. So x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz equal to minus z cube. So this term can be shift here and this term can be shift here by changing of sign. It means x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, and this one we have to prove. ठीक है. Now see the next one. Without calculating the cube, find the value of each of the following. So here already given minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube, and we can apply the 13th sum property identity. So x plus y plus z equal to 0. it mean minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. If we are going to add, that answer is 0. It mean x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x yz. So here x cube मतलब minus 12 cube, y cube मतलब 7 cube plus z cube means 5 cube into 3 into x plus x y z, x that minus 12 into 7 into 5. So we can do the product of these, that is minus 120, sorry minus 1260. ठीक है. Now the next one, give possible expression for length and breadth of the each of the following rectangle in the in which their areas are given. It's a rectangular. Rectangular means that have length and breadth. Area of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. So they are already given the area and we have to judge that which sides are there. So they have given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So we are going for the middle term splitting. So 25 into 12, that is 300. Go for the prime factorization. After that we can arrange it like that. Here is plus sign, it means middle term having both same signs. And here is minus, it means both term having minus sign. So we need 35. So if 20 and 15, ठीक है, minus 20 minus 15, that is 300, and minus 20 minus 15, that is minus 35. So 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. So first two and last two. From first two, 5a is common. So 5a minus 4 is left. In this one, 3 is common, minus sign is there. So 5a minus 4. So 5a is common. What the left? That is 5a minus 3. So any one you can take length and any one you can take breadth. ठीक है. So second sum you have to do same as it is. Now the 16th sum, find the possible the expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid which volumes are given. Now volumes are given and cuboid. Cuboid mean cuboid's volume means length, breadth and height. ठीक है. It mean it having the three factors. So now they have given 3x square minus 12x. Firstly, what is the common in that? So it's a 3x. So 3x can be taken common. So what left? That is x minus 4. So if we check it having the three factor, mean to say 3x and x minus 4. So volume is length, breadth and height. So we can take length 3, breadth x and height x minus 4. So any one value you can take length, breadth and height from these three. So it's a 3 values. ठीक है. So next one part you have to do yourself.